I have come to explain firsthand the scale and magnitude of this climate catastrophe that has pushed 1/3 of my country under water in a superstorm. Why are my people paying the price of such high global warming through no fault of ours? We look for peace with all our neighbors, including India. Sustainable peace and stability in South Asia, however, remains contingent upon a just and lasting solution of the Jammu and Kashmir dispute. War is not an option. It is not an option. Afghanistan today presents a unique challenge. Pakistan is working to encourage respect for the rights of Afghan girls and women. Pakistan shares the key concern of the international community regarding the threat posed by the major terrorist groups operating from Afghanistan. Pakistan strongly condemns terrorism in all its forms and shades. Pakistan is the principal victim of terrorism. After great sacrifices, it's not only for Pakistan, it is a peace for global countries. Islamofobia is a global phenomenon. The officially sponsored campaign of oppression against India's over 200 million Muslims is the worst manifestation of Islamophobia. Pakistan is deeply concerned by the numerous conflicts across the Middle East. We support all possible efforts to promote their peaceful resolutions. We call on Israel to put an immediate end to the blatant use of force and flagrant violations of human rights of the Palestinian people. We must restore peace in Europe, avoid a war in Asia. We will work with all those committed to the United Charter's principles to restore the vision which created the United Nations and to equip this organization with the capacity to preserve global peace.